QuizPlatter, a platter full of knowledge. Neptune quiz. What type of planet is Neptune? Answer: Sea ice giant. Which number planet is Neptune from the Sun? Answer: A, 8th. What gives Neptune its blue color? Answer: D, methane. Who discovered Neptune? Answer: B, Johann Galli. How long does Neptune take to orbit the Sun? Answer: C, 165 Earth years. How long is a day on Neptune? Answer: D, 16 hours. Which spacecraft visited Neptune? Answer: D, Voyager 2. What is Neptune named after? Answer: A, Roman god of the sea. What is Neptune's largest moon? Answer: A, Triton. What is Neptune famous for? Answer: C, strong winds. How many known moons does Neptune have? Answer: B, 16. What is Neptune's average distance from the Sun? Answer: D, 4.5 billion kilometers. What is Neptune mostly made of? Answer: B, ice and gas. What color is Neptune? Answer: C, blue. Which planet is closest in size to Neptune? Answer: C, Uranus. QuizPlatter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.